Hey guys, welcome back to another short, and in this short I'm going to show you how you change the colour of the SZELAM digital alarm clock. So you're going to go like this. There should be a button at the top of here called set. You press that and you can change the time to like the different, like if you want it as 8 or 20, and then as well there should be a little light button here. You can change the colour to whatever you want. It's the same at the bottom. Okay. You can do whatever you want. Which is really cool. And you can change it as so on and so on. So, if you enjoy, thanks for watching. Brilliant. One more thing actually guys, is that there is like a little alarm feature in it as well. And it's just really cool, so yeah. I really recommend it. Thank you for watching.